What's the meaning of biliary? Biliary. Biliary.
Biliary. Biliary. Biliary refers to the bile ducts and the secretion of bile, which is a digestive fluid produced in the liver and stored in the gallbladder. Bile aids in the digestion of fats by emulsifying them, making them easier to absorb. The biliary system is critical in maintaining digestive health. A blockage or inflammation of the bile ducts can lead to serious medical conditions, such as gallstones or cholangitis. Medical professionals may use diagnostic tests, such as ultrasound or magnetic resonance imaging, MRI, to evaluate the biliary system and identify any potential issues. Proper management and treatment of biliary disorders are essential for maintaining long-term health.